ki te roa, te mea, e tūmanakohia atu ana. Ka mate tēnā kau, te taenga mai o te mea, i hiahiatia, ko te Rākau tēnā o te ora. Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but when desire comes, it is a tree of life. Ngā Whakataukī, te kau mā toru, te kau mā rua. This scripture comes from Proverbs 13:12. And the kupu I wanted to look at today is Rākau. Rākau. Rākau can mean tree. I went and asked my koro, hiahiatia taonga o te Rākau ki a koe. Koro, what's a tree to you? And koro looked at me and said, moko, don't just look at the wood, look at the tree. What's a tree? It provides shelter. It can provide shade. It can provide oxygen. In First Psalms, it says, be like a tree planted beside a stream, and in all seasons you will bear fruit. Fruit, sustenance, nurturing. Let's look at the kupu, Rākau. Rā can mean the sun, light, illumination. Ka can be the action of going on a path or the effort and energy it takes to start a fire. And U can mean the breast, nurturing, sustenance, but it can also mean to hold firm to something. So in a way, we have a journey of becoming. We have the light into an action, into a consequence, and into a firm arrival. And by consequence, I mean we also have the word, the a and the u. O can mean possession that you have control of, but it can also mean smoke. And if you're paddling a waka, hiahiatia waka, it can also mean the wake, which moves behind the waka. So as you are moving, you're creating ripples, you're creating smoke and life. And I think people who inspire us can also create large ripples. And I just pray, if someone's actually inspiring you, that you have the courage to ask them, hey, what did it take to get to where you are? Or maybe even ask them, hey, can I help you with what you're doing? Because I would like to do something similar one day, maybe. And I think there's a grace in that, in coming together. Because when we look at Rākau, they're often in a forest. And the word for forest is ngā here. Here is the binds, like a shoelace. So the coming together and the connecting, the sharing. And I think there's a grace in learning how to be a Rākau o te ora, a tree of life, realizing that we actually, imagine if we were a forest of trees of life together. I just want to pray for you and pray over you and our lives that we can become good trees that bear good fruit. And I pray the revelation comes that when we produce fruit, it's a blessing. But I pray that we realize the blessing comes through us to provide fruit, to be a blessing for others. I think to truly be he Rākau o te ora, a tree of life, we need to provide fruit and provision for those who are in our community and those who are around us. It's one thing to have our own lives blessed, but to truly live the blessed life, may we be a tree of life that blesses others. Kia ora i te whānau. He pai tō rā. Have a wonderful day.